Okay, Daddy. Say something.
Cranberry sauce. I spit on myself or something. Like peanut butter?
Oh, Daddy, I love you. Nice plate. Say something else.
Good night, Irene.
What? I think I could just...
How'd you cut your burn you?
I love you. We're messed up. Got enough peanut butter on your cookie, Dad? What was that?
I can whistle with peanut butter stuck to everything. Good.
Skills.
I'm like the most awesome ever. Unstoppable. Unbelievable. Unfreaking accusable. Unglued.
Unglued.
I've come unglued.
You know, you should have your own reality TV show.
Unleashed.
Unleashed. Peanut buttered.
Fucking real. That's the name of the show. The Unfucking Real Show.
That'd be a good show. I'd watch it. Oh, goodness. Say bye-bye, Daddy. Say bye.
Bye, asshole.